Alright people, so welcome back to my channel. Now today we are pre-toD'yani, Sleepless Nights. So you know, me are pre-toD'yani music from before the Jada Kingdom remix. Me are pre-fan of like a girl that did the ballerina. She never lick me. But you know me I say, right? And the girl there, Jano, me do the video. But Jano, it never work out, you see me? The lighting did bad, the audio did bad, and then everything just fall apart, and I'm in love with her. I'm in love with her, I'm not lie. But we are pre this right now. So this is toD'yani, Sleepless Nights. See? We get a pre. Peeps, like, share, subscribe, continue getting the word out. Please like the goddamn videos, peeps. You hear me say it already? Like the video, them comment on my video, them please and thank you. Music is my drug. I love getting high, and that is all I need. You see me? I'm telling you already, I just drink sometimes, and that's okay. So toD'yani, Sleepless Nights, right now. Alright, peeps, so we're getting at the. Father God. Alright, peeps, so I pre that one here right now from toD'yani. Let's see what's going. Yeah, so. I speak a lot,
Yeah. Me say me no want. Me say me no want. Me no want. Feel hungry again. Those sleepless nights and tears man shed. Me no want feel hungry again. No. On a little bit of try man try. On a little bit of cry man cry. On a little bit of fight man fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside.
I never expect this, I never want this, I never sign up for this. I never sign up for this. I never sign up for this at all. Yo. By the time man tries, and things just get hard for no reason at all. You look at it and say, hey God, what me do wrong? What me do to you? You question God for no reason. Well, it's no reason at all. You can't say it's no reason at all. It's no reason at all. But then that not sound correct. But for real, you see me, you try some things and it does not work out. You wonder, like, why me? You see me shit pon grave, me shit in a church. What did I do wrong? Yo, pretty out here, Pete. That one you hit different.
Yeah.
Me never sign up for this one, toD'yani. Me never sign up for this one, brother. Eviction notice and no food in there already, Your house done empty already. And people are come and give eviction notice on top of it.
Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside. Time and time, realize them try bad man. Destroy and victimize. Judge show me the sign, cause they cannot deny what's mine. We never looking at the sky for no favor. No, we coming right and I'm left and I will save ya. I'm in always. Don't now work out. We still give thanks to the maker. Cause don't need a life, my friend. I like broke pocket and fair a little bit.
Yo. Like, yeah, for real. It's not like me wake up every morning and look on God and say, God, give me this, please, give me this, please, give me this, please. You see me? And we're not gonna say, why me I talk like me this a song I talk to? But we're not gonna say, yo, a godly, we're not godly. You see me? But God helps those who help themselves. And you can't wake up every morning and pray and do nothing for yourself, you see me? Faith without works is dead. I'm not quoting the Bible, people. I'm just saying. You see me? Yo, you have to just fight. You have to just fight. Jesus Christ. Me never sign up for this, Me never sign up for this. Yeah, peep. So I go on and see what going on here, so. You see me? General started, but my concentration a while ago. The phone just ring. The phone just rang. I had to stop the video, and you know how that goes. Cause me I shoot me. Yeah, you see me? So what we are good about that? You see what going on, so.
bit of crime and try, and a little bit of crime and cry, and a little bit of fire and fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside. Time and time, we realize them try bad mind, destroy and victimize. Judge.
Yeah, man, I say a while ago, me just a pre when man I say in chorus. The man I get like them try to deny the greatness we have inside. You see me, enough time we are doing things and people get like, them see say you're bad and them see say you're good. Yeah, so me I try to say. Right? And they don't play it. They don't play the greatness in you because in this goddamn bad mind. You see, man, if you not strong enough, you have problems with yourself. You have to fight yourself. You hate yourself. You hate yourself. You wake up and can't even look in the mirror because of somebody else to say. That makes sense? Does that really make sense, though?
Show me the sign, cause they cannot deny. And I say, I will rise over every fall. I will rise, I'll be standing tall. I will rise over every wall. I will rise above them all. I will rise like the ocean tide. I will rise, might fall a couple times. I will rise like sun above the hill. I will rise like the bird that way I see.
My spirits have been uplifted, Oja. Yo, the man take the second verse and just give it an upliftment where me never did pre because me think I want sad song. You see me? The man give the second verse like, okay, I'm good. But then do what them a do. See, we know some things are hard, but me then do what them a do. Me have my fight for fight. Me a continue fight. You cannot just sit down and wait on things. You can't get up every day and just pray to God. You have to work, don't? You have to put in the work, don't? Yo, we are gonna rise, don't? Alright. The YouTube channel is gonna reach 10,000 views. Oh, subscribers. Don't it? See what I'm going.
Try and try, and a little bit of crime and cry, and a little bit of fight and fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside. Time and time, we realize them try bad mind, destroy and try victimize. Judge I saw with the signs that them cannot deny what's mine. And when the sky turns dark.
So she get one loan now. She get the loan. Karma says she down, you know. Nothing go on for her, you know. Me a play video in a peeps.
Fondest moments have gone, and fate seems dead. It is at this moment you lift up head. And a little bit of crime and try, and a little bit of crime and cry, and a little bit of fire and fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside. Time and time, realize them try bad mind. Judge I show me the sign that they cannot deny what is rightfully mine. Yeah.
Yo, this is awesome. This is yo, pre the video, pre this song. Alright. Yo, me always talk about this, you know, time and time again in the peeps. So yo, me hate see one song and the music video and they're not coherent. Them now work together. Zine, this bud, the two of them are meshed together like perfectly. Yo, Catty, well, mommy. You see me? I got you one bunch of stress and now work out and boom, she apply for the loan and God just say, yo, you know, he must smile upon her. Cause you know, everything now fixed. Well, it's life, peeps. Everything is never fixed. But you understand me I try to say, right? We are pre this song. Sleepless night, man, tired of the bench. We don't feel hungry again. Sleepless nights and the food with the friend. We don't feel hungry. I mean, say we don't want. That's why and a little bit of try, man, try. And a little bit of cry, man, cry. And a little bit of fight, man, fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness we possess inside. Time and time,
Realize them try, bad mind.
Oh
This try and
boy.
try to deny
I shouldn't have
what
reviewed
is
this.
mine. And a little bit of time. And a little bit of time. Time.
Yo,
Yeah.
peeps. Yo, me not gonna lie, Zin. I want good while me not actually review us. Jesus Christ, I've never actually reviewed a song I wanted to cry before. Yo, peeps, this real free the song for myself. When I go through no difficulties in our life, I'm not saying I am, but pre out the song, yo. It's gonna help you. It's gonna move you. It's gonna make you start pre some things differently, and that's what music is supposed to do. Music is supposed to move your soul, not just your waistline. Yeah, Rassreviews 2021. Outside.